How to remove email from your Roblox account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about removing email from your Roblox account. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your web Chrome browser. And then after search for roblox.com and it will take you to the official website of Roblox. Here, you need to make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. And from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to a new page. Now from the menu that appears in the left side of the screen, go to Account Info. Here you will see the option of display name, username, phone number, and email address in the top. Click on the pencil icon that is beside the email address. Once you do that, enter a new email that you'd like to set to associate your account with. Click on Change Email option and you'll be done. It's that easy. So this is exactly how you can remove email from your Roblox account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.